Vest. Hello, hello, amazing readers. Welcome back to Phonics Fun Land, where reading is full of fun. Today we're learning a brand new sound. Are you ready? Listen carefully. V. Can you say it? V. Fantastic. Put your top teeth gently on your bottom lip. Now let the sound buzz. V. Great job! Let's say it 3 times together. V. Awesome! Let's find some words that begin with the V sound. Can you make the buzzing V sound? Ready? V. Excellent! Let's blend the words. V, A, N. Blend it. V, A, N. Van. Again. V, A, N. Van. Van, van, van. Can you say van with me? Yes. Van. Let's blend. V, The van is big and blue. Ready for the next word? Yes! V, E, T. Blend it. V, E, T. Vet. One more time. V, E, T. Vet. Can you say vet? Vet. Louder. Vet. V, E, T. Vet. The vet helps sick animals. Excellent. The next word. V, E, S, T. Blend it. V, E, S, T. Vest. Again. V, E, Vest. Can you say vest with me? Yes. Vest. Let's blend. V, E, S, T. Vest. I am wearing a red vest. She is wearing a green vest. And he is wearing a yellow vest. What's your favorite color of vest? Red vest? Blue vest? Yellow vest? Green vest? Orange vest? Purple vest? I am sure you are seeing your favorite color. Yes! The word is vest. Vest, vest. Ready for the next word? Yes! The next word, violin. Vi-o-lin. Let me tell you a story about Mr. V. One sunny day as he was walking along the road, he saw letter I, and they hugged each other. And Mr. V said, I am going to the studio. And Mr. I said, me too. So they walked together. On their way, they saw Mr. O. Hello. V-I, says Mr. O. I'm going to the studio. So they walked to the studio, and they saw letters L, I, and N on the stage. Then L, I, N said, we have been waiting for you. Violin. Blend it. Vi-o-lin. Violin. Again. Vi-o-lin. Violin. Can you say violin with me? Yes. Violin. Let's blend. Vi-o-lin. Violin. Sarah plays the violin beautifully. You are doing a great job. Next word, visit. V. Sit. Blend it. V. visit. Again. Sit. Visit. The word is visit. I will visit Grandma during the holiday. Will you also visit Grandma during the holiday?
Yes.
So can you blend the word visit along with me? Sit. Visit. Great job! Next word, valley. Lay. Blend it. Lay. Valley. Again. Lay. Valley. Can you say it with me?
Yes.
Valley. Let's say it together.
Valley.
We walked through the green valley. What color is the valley?
Green.
Correct. The valley is green. Can you blend the sound with me one more time?
Yes.
Lay. Valley. Next word. Volleyball. Lay. Volley. Ball. Let's blend it. Lay. Volley. Ball. Volleyball. Let's blend it again. Lay. Volley. Ball. Volleyball. Can you say it with me?
Yes.
Volley.
Volley.
Ball.
Ball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
We played volleyball at school. At school on Wednesdays. You are doing great. Next word. Velvet. I am sure you remember your sound. Makes the word vel. Plus vet. Vel plus the word vet makes a new word. Velvet. Say it with me. Velvet. Vet. Velvet. Again. Vet. Velvet. The teddy bear has soft velvet ears. Velvet. 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 One more time. Vet. Velvet. Say it with me. Velvet. Velvet. You are doing great. Next word. Vacuum. Blend it. Vacuum. Can you say the word vacuum with me? Yes. Vacuum. Vacuum. So let's blend one more time. Vacuum. Do you have a vacuum cleaner in your house? Mom uses the vacuum to clean the floor when the floor is dirty. Can we blend it one more time? Vacuum. Say it with me. Vacuum. 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 You are doing great. Now it's game and question time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. If the word starts with V, clap. If it doesn't have V sound, stay still. Van?
Yes.
Sun? No. Violin?
Yes.
Dog? No. Vase?
Yes.
Cat? No. Vest?
Yes.
Buzz like a bee. Every time you hear V, make the buzzing sound. Van. Vest. Volcano. It's time for object identification. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Which picture starts with V? Banana or van?
Van.
Vase or cat?
Vase.
Dog or vest?
Vest.
Apple or violin?
Violin.
Volcano or kite?
Volcano.
Are you ready to read after me?
Yes.
Let's start. Van,
Van.
vest,
Vest.
volleyball, volleyball. Velvet, velvet. Are you ready to find the V words? Look around you. Can you find something that starts with V? Maybe vest, toy van, vacuum, vase. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the V sound today. Let's say it one last time. V, V. Excellent reading. Can you remember these words?
Van. Vest. Vase. Violin.
Fantastic! Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to practice these words again and again. If you enjoyed today's lesson, ask a grown-up to like, subscribe, and share Phonics Fun Land with your friends. Keep smiling, keep reading, and remember, at Phonics Fun Land, we unlock the magic of reading. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.